Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your reviews in the Trendyol app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Trendyol app, and here we have the app opens up in the home menu where we have some recommendations and some articles that we are suggested. But from this menu we have to go and tap on the little person icon in the bottom right corner, where in the overview section we can find the My Reviews button, and by tapping on this we can check our history, what kind of reviews we gave, and then we can also review new items by just continuing shopping and adding our opinion to different kinds of articles that we might have bought, and then can give some feedback. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.